Chocolate fondue is the perfect way to end a romantic evening. The smooth, rich chocolate is the perfect way to show your love. The chocolate melts in your mouth and fills you with a sense of warmth and happiness. Birds are one of the most amazing creatures on Earth. They can fly and soar through the sky, and their songs are beautiful and inspiring. Having a bird as a pet is a great way to experience nature up close, and to enjoy the beauty and inspiration of these amazing animals. Constellations are beautiful, inspiring, and mysterious. They have been a source of fascination for people for centuries, and it's easy to see why. They help us understand and appreciate the universe around us and provide a way to connect with the cosmos. Some of the most famous constellations include Orion, Ursa Major, and Scorpius, each one with its own unique story and significance. Exploring these constellations can be a wonderful way to learn more about the universe and our place in it.